What's your name?
My name is Abhishek Kumar.
Okay. What is grammar?
A set of rules which govern a language is called grammar.
Okay. What is parts of speech?
Entire words of English grammar have been divided into many parts on the basis of their functions and uses. These divided parts are called parts of speech.
Okay. In Hindi?
अंग्रेजी व्याकरण के सारे शब्दों को उनके कार्यों के आधार पर कई भागों में बांटा गया है. इन्हीं बटे हुए भाग को पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच कहते हैं.
How many parts of speech?
There are 8 parts of speech.
Which one?
Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection.
Okay, that's good. What is noun?
Name of anything is called noun.
In Hindi?
किसी भी नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं.
How many types of noun mainly?
There are mainly 2 types of noun.
Which one?
Countable and uncountable.
Okay, that's great, dear. You have answered very well. So keep it off. God bless you. And a big clap for. Thank you. Go.